Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the last lecture we have started our lesson number 17, geometrical constructions. Then we have seen what is perpendicular line, then how to construct perpendicular lines using three ways. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have learned to draw perpendicular from a point on the line. Now today we are going to learn to draw a perpendicular to a line from the point outside the line. Okay, so come to practice set 40. Let us read question number 1. Draw line L, take point P anywhere outside the line. Using a set square, draw a line PQ perpendicular to line L. Okay, now first what you have to do, with the help of scale and pencil, first you have to draw a line and you have to name it as line L. Okay, I have drawn line L. Then in the previous lecture we have taken the point on the line, but now today we have to learn to draw a perpendicular line by taking a point outside the line. So you will take point P anywhere outside line L. So I will take point P here. Okay, now with the help of a set square, I will place my set square on line L in such a way that its vertex will touch line L. Okay, and the another arm of set square will touch the point P like this. Okay, now I will draw the line which passes through line L like this. Okay, and I will name it as Q. Okay, so your line PQ is perpendicular to line L. Okay, sorry, you have to you have to write Q at the point where it forms the angle of 90 degree. Okay, so see, line PQ is perpendicular to line L at point Q. Okay, so in this way you have to draw perpendicular line by taking point P outside the line L. Okay, now next, so line PQ is perpendicular to line L at point Q. Now come to question number 2. Draw line AB, take point M anywhere outside the line. Using a compass and ruler, draw a line MN perpendicular to line AB. Now here in this question they have asked you to draw perpendicular line using compass and ruler. So I am writing here so first of all I will draw one line. And I will name it as line AB. So I have drawn line AB. Now in the question they have asked you to take point M anywhere outside the line AB. So I will take point M here. Okay. Then with the help of compass, I will start constructing my perpendicular line. So now I have taken point M outside line AB. I will place the center of my compass on point M, and taking a convenient distance, I will draw two arcs which will cut the line AB. Okay, like this. So I will name the points where they cut the line AB. So I will name this point as P, and I will name this point as Q. Okay. Then again, with the help of a compass, I will keep the center of my compass on point P like this. Then by taking the distance between P and Q of more than half, I will draw the arc at the lower side of this line AB. Similarly, I will keep the center of compass on point Q, and by taking the distance of more than half, I will draw the arc which will cut the previous arc like this. Okay. I will name this point as N, and then you have to join point M and N. See, again they forms the angle of 90 degree. Okay, so line MN perpendicular to line AB. Okay, like this. Understood? So in this way you have to draw perpendicular by taking point outside the line using compass and ruler. So line MN perpendicular to line AB. Okay. Now the next question number 3. Draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Bisect it using a compass and ruler. Okay, so here you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay. So they have asked you to draw line AB of length 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale and pencil, first we will draw one line of 5.5 centimeter. So I have drawn line of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, I will name it as AB, line AB. Okay, then with the help of compass and ruler you have to draw the angle by perpendicular bisector. So first I will keep the center of my compass at point A, and taking the distance of more than half, I will draw the arc above and below the line AB like this. Similarly, keeping the center of my compass at point B, I will draw the two arcs above and below the line AB. Okay. Now you got the 2 points where the two arcs cut each other. So I will name it as XY, and then we have to join the 2 points, that is point X and point Y. Okay, like this. Okay. Now this perpendicular bisector XY divides line AB into 2 equal parts. So these 2 parts will be equal. Okay, so in this way you have to draw perpendicular bisector. Okay, so now question number 4, that is, let us read. Take a point R on the line XY. Draw a line perpendicular to XY at R using a set square. Okay, so this question you can solve it for your homework. So I hope you might have understood that how to draw perpendicular to a line from point outside the line, and also how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so in the next lecture we will start our new chapter, that is the last chapter, 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.